welcome back to my channel. This is Khushbu and you are watching a new video created just by me. So in this video I'll be talking about the skincare routine that I'm having nowadays. So it almost summers here in Delhi NCR region और यहाँ की गर्मी बहुत बेकार होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. So we have to protect our skin a lot, and for which I use multiple types of products in my day and night skincare routine. So in this video, I'll be talking about a basic skincare routine that you can follow during the daytime, especially because daytime may you go out, your skin is exposed to the dust and the pollution, the sunlight and everything. So you need to take care of your skin a lot more during the daytime. And in the night time, what you have to do is to repair your skin. So the products that you need to use in the night time are different from the day ones. So let's start with today's video. I actually shot a video before making this one for my Instagram. So I have some makeup on my face, which I'm gonna remove. So I'm taking a wet tissue. With this, I'm using this micellar water by Garnier. It is an amazing. This is my third bottle, guys. This one is great if you really like have makeup on your face and if you just want to remove it. So all you need is to put some drops and see the makeup is coming out very well. So some people use double cleansing method, but I use it sometimes during the nighttime routine whenever I go out and I have to use a makeup on my face. So I use double cleansing. I have a cleansing milk as well. I have a cleansing oil that I'll share in my next video. In case if you want to know my night skincare routine, do let me know. I'll share it. So I have been eating a lot of junk nowadays because of my work. I have to go out. So my skin is like not doing too good nowadays, but we will cover it up. No issues. So okay, I'm done with this. Removed all my makeup. This was just a BB cream, a lipstick and a blush that I used, nothing else. So after this, I wash my face. Currently I'm using this face wash. This is by Job's Herbal Detan face wash, which is an amazing face wash. So I have been using it to remove the detan that I am having, the tanning that I am having on my face. So I went out in the March to a vacation and I got tanned a lot. So since then I've been using this one. It's a great product. So let me just go and I've washed my face with the face wash. Now I'm using this rose water. I have filled this spray bottle with a Khalid Naturals rose water, which is very good, guys. So the smell is so good and it really hydrates my skin. It's a great toner to have in the summers. If you want to try out any other, Biotica Cucumber is amazing. So do try that one as well. Now when it's a little dry, I'll use this serum, which is my favorite since inception, like 2-3 years since the time I have been doing my skincare. So I'm just taking a little drop of it. And this is by Ordinary. This is a niacinamide serum, which actually treats my skin really well. So whenever, like, this is not a mess from my end. I use it daily on a regular basis in my day care routine, and it has shown amazing results. Awesome product, guys. Must use it. After that, I use this moisturizer by Plum. This is a green tea moisturizer which works amazing with my skin. So I just take a little bit of it on my hands. I rub it, dab it. Don't ever forget your neck, guys. Always have your skincare done on your neck. Okay, so this is done. Now the last and the most important part that I have learned within the time that you don't and you never miss it is the sunscreen. I am using this sunscreen by Earth Rhythm. Awesome brand, guys. Very good brand that has been gaining a lot of traction nowadays. This is a glow surge which comes with SPF 50, which is amazing, and it is a glow stick. Trust me, I have been using this for the first time and I'm I was really excited when I got this, and I was like, I really need to try this. When I tried it out, it's very good, guys. The smell is nice, so you just have to like move this and the stick will come out like this. All you have to do is to put it on your face like this. So it will stick it on your face, giving you an amazing glow and an amazing protection, of course. Must buy, guys. Very easy to have, travel with. Like, you don't have to use your hands when you're traveling if you want to reapply your sunscreen. You just have to like take it out and put it on. So I've been doing a lot of shopping nowadays because there is a marriage at my home. So I have been carrying this with me, and it has been a great savior and really helped me in not getting too much tanned. Great product to have, guys. So now this was it for my skincare routine video. This is the basic and the most important skincare routine that you can follow. Never skip your sunscreen, guys. It's a most important part. And first thing is to always cleanse your face well. So if you are following these two steps, you will have an amazing skin apart from your intake. So you need to be very cautious on what you are eating every day. Be a healthy eater. Always try to have more water intake and try to have healthy food, like have some fruits as well. In the summers you get watermelon, you get mangoes, you get a lot of fruits to have. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this. If you like this, do let me know, and do let me know if you want me to make the night skincare routine as well. So until then, bye bye.